Okay, by now you've noticed the linear setups are going to be similar. Now you can make them more difficult by having students work backwards, but initially the general setup is the same. You identify the variables, you set up the situation. So Trevon and Heather are selling pies at a school fundraiser. Okay, school fundraiser is a setup. Customers can buy cherry pies or lemon meringue pies. So that's our system. They're at the same fundraiser, two different pies. So Trevon sold 6 cherry pies, 3 lemon meringue pies for a total of $108. So now you can either let C be cherry pie and L be lemon, but remember when you have students do the L, don't have them do just a typical lowercase L because it's going to look like a 1. Do not have them put an uppercase L because typically uppercase letters are used for formulas or for geometry for points. So in this case, you might, maybe lowercase m for the meringue or something like that. Okay, so six cherry plus 3 lemon meringue for a total of $108. And then Heather sold 6 cherry pies, 4 lemon meringue for a total of $126. Again, this looks like it's going to be the subtraction method. Now notice the 126 is greater. So, if you wanted, you could say, well, you're either going to have negatives to deal with, or you could rewrite this one on top. But they may as well get used to having negatives. So when we subtract 6c, subtract 6c, zeros out. 3m subtract 4m is negative 1m. And 108 subtract 26 looks like it's negative 18. And then just divide both sides by that negative 1. All right. So the lemon meringue pies, cost of lemon meringue pie. And then you just take one of the top ones. I'm going to take this one right here. And I know that I can substitute M right there. I can put 18. So I'll write 6C plus 3 times that 18 is equal to 108. And 3 times 18, I believe, is 54. So let's do this. And this is dollars. So we're going to just subtract the $54 from both sides. And on the side, and so that should leave $54. And then finally we have that attached, multiplying C. And again, you can reiterate when you're talking about this that they're using equality properties to solve. So the cherry pie, each cherry pie costs $9. And then write the system like this. I'm going to go back in front. They list cherry pies first, so I'm putting the 9 here, the 18 here. This is one solution, so consistent. It's a consistent system and independent. There are 2 separate lines that we're talking about. All right, that's it for this one.